everybody. Today we're going to be doing our topic 14 review. This looks a little overwhelming on the board, but we're going to break it down into 4 different problems. At any point, just pause the video, try it on your own on a piece of paper, and then move on to the next problem, okay? So this is your only assignment for today is doing each of these problems with me, and then I'm going to go over the answers at the end, and then that's it. And then you'll be doing a regular review tomorrow on Pearson. So this is it for the day. So make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper and get ready to go. Okay, so for question number 1, it says to first draw the time 3:45. I have my clock right here. The hour hand is going to be past the 3 because we're all the way to the 45. So I'm going to draw my shorthand, which is my hour hand, right here. And then my minute hand's going to go on the 9. Okay. So I know this is 3:45. Now here's the question I want you to answer. What time will it be in 1 hour and 25 minutes? So you're going to solve question number 1. You can pause it now. All right, I'm going to move on to number 2. Then we'll go back to number 1 and find the answer. Number 2 says that Jessica, she starts her race at 2:55 p.m. She ends her race at 3:40 p.m. And then Cody starts his race at 3:15 but ends at 3. My question is, who ran the longer amount? Or you can tell me who ran the shorter distance. The shorter distance person would probably win in a race if they started at the same time. So decide who was longer and who was shorter. All right, think about that. I'm going to move on to question number 3, all the way over here. Is the mass of a book 1 kilogram or 1 liter? We talked about kilograms and liters and the different ways that we use them. Would you say the mass of a book is 1 kilogram or 1 liter? I'll reveal the answer in just a minute. Let's move on to number 4. Mary has 18 liters of water and she divides it into 6 cups. And then Jess, she has 15 liters and she's going to divide it into 3 cups. And we want to know how many liters are in each cup. So this is going to be a division problem. 18 divided into 6 and then 15 divided into 3. And I want you to tell me how many liters are in each cup. All right. Now, if you have not had a chance to answer all of these yet, I'm going to ask you to pause, answer, because I'm about to reveal the answers. So for question number 1, we start at 3:45 and we want to know what's going to happen and what time it is in 1 hour and 25 minutes. I'm going to start with the minutes first because I'm pretty sure we're going to go into a new hour. Now, if I'm going to add 25 minutes from here, I'm going to count by 5s and see where I land. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So my long hand is going to be now on the 2. But in that 25 minutes, my hour changed from 3 to 4. So 25 minutes from 3:45, it became 4:10. So now I just added my 25 minutes. Next, I need to add my hour. So I just rotate a whole hour to 5. So the answer to the problem is 5:10. That is 1 hour and 25 minutes later. It's a good idea to start with the minutes first, especially if you're going to go into a new hour. All right, let's look back at number 2. Number 2, Jessica, she started at 2:55 to 3:40. So I know I need to add 5 more minutes to get to that 3 o'clock hour. So I'm going to add 5. That gets me to 3 o'clock. And from 3 o'clock to 3:40, that's pretty easy. I just need to add 40 minutes. So she won a total of 5 plus 40. So she ran for 45 minutes. Now Cody started at 3:15. And if I want to get to, let's say 3:30, because that's friendly for me, that's another 15 minutes. And to get from 3:30 to 3:55, that's 25 minutes. 15 plus 25 is going to be 40 minutes. So Cody, he ran a shorter distance than Jessica. Cody ran 40 minutes, Jessica ran 45 minutes. All right, let's look at number 3. The mass of a book, 1 kilogram or 1 liter? Well, if we're thinking about mass, we measure in grams or kilograms. Liters would be the capacity of how much liquid can fit into something, and we're not measuring that with a book, we're measuring the weight or mass of it. So kilogram was your correct answer. All right, the last question. Mary has 18 liters of water divided into 6 cups, and Jess has 15 liters divided into cups. Well, if I wanted to do 18 divided by 6, if I count by 6, it's 6, 12, then 18, so that's 3. And then if I do 15 divided by 3, I can count by 3's to help me get to 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that's 5. So Mary has 3 liters in each of her glasses, and Jess has 5 liters in each of her glasses. All right, hopefully you got all the answers correct. I would like you to send me your work either on Seesaw or in an email. Thanks so much.